Good morning! Welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to explore two different tourist spots located here in Puerto Princesa City. First is the Mount Magarwak hike, which is the best and nearest hiking site around Puerto Princesa City, located in Barangay Bakungan, about 15 kilometers away or 35 minutes drive from downtown. So we have to reach the trailhead of the mountain to start the hike. So from reaching the Bantay Gubat Central Monitoring Station, magta-turn right ka na dito sa mismong rough road. More or less mga 1 kilometer uphill siya until na ma-locate natin or makita natin yung private house sa left side ng path na to. Then dun sa mismong private house, meron silang parking area doon with a minimal fee. So dun tayo magpa-park ng ating vehicle. By the way, advisable na magdala ng sariling food, water, at kung madaling araw kayo pupunta, better magdala ng flashlight or headlamp since wala kayong makikita ditong nearest store na pwedeng bilhan. And the best time to start talaga is madaling araw. Do kami since tinanghali kami ng gising, so medyo late na tayo dumating here sa trailhead. Pero advisable is talaga madaling araw para ma-witness natin yung sunrise. To kami, obviously, hindi na namin yung ma-witness. Anyways, ito na yung pinaka private house na sinasabi natin. So, maybe this is a private right of way. That's why mayroong minimal fee of parking. Pero mura lang naman. So, let's start around 6:31 a.m. So, here we are, heading to the trailhead of the mountain. First impression, mabato. Masyadong mabato ang magiging daan natin. So, expect na medyo magiging challenging yung hike natin. And for us to know na nasa starting point na tayo ng ating hike, meron tayong makikita dapat na a broken wooden sign na merong nakasulat ng "This way to Smart Tower." So, ito yun.
Dito? Yung bundok mo doon. Doon yung bundok. Pero may baka may daan.
Baka dito.
Ha?
Baka dito.
Eh, ba't anong signage na? Dito lang pinag-isip na agad tayo. Kasi, hindi ko rin tandaan na dito eh.
Grabe.
First stop over. Pag warm up, tayo nag-ano?
Ito. Iba kulay. Shucks, ang taas. 7 o'clock. Another one. So, looking here sa west part ng mountain, makikita natin yung National Highway. Para siyang snake through the valley. And yung image niya. Ganda ng view agad here, even if na wala pa naman tayo sa kalahati. So, puro rest. And, tanaw na agad natin yung Smart Tower Cell, actually. And sa east part, yan, medyo tanaw na natin yung Honda Bay.
Konti na lang.
And I would say na newbie friendly ang trail ng Mount Magarwak. Even if na Maraki siya. So, na-enjoy din namin. And the best part here is yung view talaga. Yung top view.
Konti na lang.
Yeah, malapit na. Konting push na lang.
Adrenaline rush talaga yun, no? Dapat talaga, extreme yung ano mo eh. Oh.
So, upon reaching the Smart Tower, we have to go to the left side ng path. Kasi sa tower point, even if na siya yung pinaka-tallest point ng mountain, hindi yun yung pinaka-best view. So, we have to go to the left side ng path. And pagdating dito natin makikita naman yung parang forest type ng trail kasi marami na ditong damo, halaman. So, ito yung ibang part naman ng trail na medyo creepy ng konti. Magkaroon ka ng konting paranoid time na baka may ahas. Pero meron naman kaming hawak na mga sanga-sanga.
Bakit? Puro ano? Madamo na to. Ay, shucks. Yeah. Oh my God. Ay, meron pa.
Nahulog yung cellphone. Yeah. Atog. 1, 2, 3. Susunod ba ng konti? Wait lang po. Point. Ready. 1, 2, 3. Tapa. Kita yung baba. Ready. 1, 2, 3. Okay, one more. 1, 2, 3.
In the midnight glow where the stars align, we lose ourselves in the rhythm divine. Underneath the sky painted with dreams, we're chasing the echoes of silent screams. Caught in the spell of the cosmic night, where fantasies bloom in the pale moonlight. We'll let go of all that we know and dance in the stardust's gentle flow. Dancing in the stardust, we're weightless and free in a world of wonders. Just you and me, lost in the moment. Our spirits ignite as we twirl in the magic of the cosmic light. Among constellations we'll find our way. Through the celestial symphony we'll sway. With every step we leave our cares behind. In this celestial ballroom, love's defined. Caught in the spell of the cosmic night, the fantasies bloom in the pale moonlight.
Mabarnisan mo ng ano? Ganda niya. Ano yung paa ng lamesa? Ang gagawin mo, ibabaw yung pinakaugat. Lagyan mo ng bilog na or lalagyan mo ng salamin na ano. Ganda.
Bunutin to.
Ganda nito.
Pag nakuha mo yan, bebenta mo. Bibili yan.
Dili ka, huwag ka dyan naman.
Bakit? And I thought, pagbaba ng mountain, ang easiest part ng trail. And totally wrong. Kasi actually, ito yung pinaka-challenging, hardest part ng trail. Since actually dito ako literal na nadulas ng 3 times, gumapang, humingal. As in, very challenging, pero very satisfying. At na-enjoy namin ang adventure ng Mount Magarwak. Definitely, it is a highly recommendable kahit pa newbie ka lang to take the challenge of going to Mount Magarwak hike.
Ito maganda oh. Hindi mo ma-imagine mo nakalagay sa paso kasi ganyan kataas.
So, hindi nagtatapos ang ating journey at adventure sa Mount Magarwak hike. Actually, the best part ng ating journey will be the next spot. So, here we are sa tinaguriang hidden gem ng Puerto Princesa.
Wala mo. Oh.
Pwede lang.
And sa katanghaliang tapat, we are here sa mismong entrance going to Olangoan Falls, which is located sa Barangay Binduyan, and around more or less 1 hour drive from the Puerto Princesa City, and additional 45 to 1 hour trekking. Magbe-base yan yung tagal ng trekking sa face natin kasi since na hindi naman tayo ganun ka bihasa maglakad, and dapat at least meron kang kasamang local or guide na magtuturo ng tamang daan ng trek kasi very confusing yung trek kasi walang masyadong signage, kaya possible maliligaw ka kung wala kang kasamang mas nakakaalam ng daan. Pero we are so excited kasi pagdating pa lang sa portion na to, maririnig na namin yung ilog. And first impression, yung papasukin talaga natin is forest vibe talaga. Para siyang virgin forest ang datingan. So we are so excited to start our trekking now.
Kamu, mana tayo?
1 kilometer. Wala kayong ahas dito, shucks. Ba't ganito kulay?
So, habang palayo kami ng palayo, patagal ng patagal yung aming trekking, the more nagiging challenging yung trail. So, nagiging very dangerous din on our part as a beginner and new sa location. So, we have to take more precautions. So, dapat laging safety pa rin. But along the way, after those challenges na dadaanan natin, ito naman yung mga kapalit niya. Very rewarding lahat ng views, yung experience, yung forest, lahat ng rock formations, all of them are so very satisfying sa mood, sa happiness na binibigay niya. So, all worth it for me.
Oo rin.
Respect.
My gosh!
140%.
Ay, shucks.
Basta? Ang naman.
Shucks.
Si ano? Si Gandalf.
Moises.
Ah, init.
Oh, ano sabi? Superior energy. Okay, let's get it on.
Ganda ng bato, no?
Una mo nga kaming apat. Ay, kaming ano.
Saan?
Una mo nga kami. Ah. 44 daw to eh.
Ito yung journey mo pag di mo nakakalahat. Dapat napakan mo bawat isang step.
Ay gosh,
No.
may pataas pa pala.
Ba, oo nga eh. $41, $142, $143, $144.
Yeah!
Okay. Resting area. Relax.
Oh my God. Water.
Ah, sir. Basta. Basta ang ating tuhod. Sayang, ang tato. Oh, kunin mo yung ano yun.
Oo, naka-chinelas. May kalyo na ako.
Kanabi.
Ay, saan dyan?
Liligo na si Sir.
Liligo ka na, sir?
Lulublob.
Malabayabas. 3.
Sarap po. Babaga na yung katawan ko. I-reduce na ako ng ilaw. Amig!
And just a reminder and warning also na may mga portion ang ilog na malalalim, as in up to 7 meters deep. So we have to take precautions like what happened to us.
Hoy, di. Ano? Oh. Malalim. Kala ko nagbibiro ka lang ha. Ano? Kala ko nagbibiro ka lang ha. Yung ano mo, slipper mo di. Dito ka na. Kala ko nagbibiro ka lang.
Agawin. Ang ganda malaki. Hindi na nakikita yung ano. Tapos mamaya ko dyan na yung mga nanay.
Tira na pala, no?
Yomo. Tumatago lang. Palaki na. Baka may sinunod na malaki. Bating ko. Mamaya magpapakita na ako. May lumabas sa kakaita. Umakit na lang yung kumay ko kanina. Hindi ko magpaliyag yung ano. Fire starter. Hindi lang sa Robinson. Kailangan lumabas pa. Ayaw na lang kainin yung mga nagawin ko na. Ano, gasolina. Sir. Lighter fluid. Pwede yun, alcohol. Lang, binayang.
Bigyan na nila yan ng ano, markings.
Finally!
Sino ba yan?
Finally! Shucks!
Pero may isa pa sa kanin.
Isa pa. Ah.
Dito.
And reaching the falls, we have to move more sa upper part ng falls kasi nandun yung pinakamagandang part ng falls na ito since meron ditong portion na parang mini bathtub. Tapos may area na wherein yung falls ay nagiging therapeutic sa body natin once dun tayo pumesto. So, we opted to go to that mid part pero hindi na namin nagawa yung pinaka top most part ng falls kasi masyado na talaga siyang challenging kasi you have to go up through using the rope, which is hindi naman namin kaya pero may mga kasama din naman kaming na-try yun na makaakyat doon sa pinaka topmost part ng falls. Anyway, napakaganda ng falls, super duper, and we really enjoyed it, as in worth lahat ng sweat.
In the midnight glow where the stars align, we lose ourselves in the rhythm divine. Underneath the sky painted with dreams, we're chasing the echoes of silent screams. Caught in the spell of the cosmic night, where fantasies bloom in the pale moonlight. We'll let go of all that we know and dance in the stardust's gentle flow. Dancing in the stardust, we're weightless and free in a world of wonders. Just you and me, lost in the moment. Our spirits ignite as we twirl in the magic of the cosmic light. Among constellations, we'll find our way. Through the celestial symphony, we'll sway. With every step we leave our cares behind. In this celestial ballroom, love's defined. Caught in the spell of the cosmic night, where fantasies bloom in the pale moonlight. Dancing in the stardust, we're weightless and free in a world of wonders. Just you and me, lost in the moment. Our spirits ignite as we twirl in the magic of the cosmic light. The shimmering galaxies will find our way, guided by love's everlasting sway. With each celestial heartbeat, we dance on in this cosmic light as we twirl in the magic of the cosmic light. In the midnight glow where the stars align, we lose ourselves in the rhythm divine. Underneath the sky painted with dreams, we're chasing the echoes of silent screams. Caught in the spell of the cosmic night, where fantasies bloom in the pale moonlight. We'll let go of all that we know and dance in the stardust's gentle flow.